this episode gets started, I just want to let you know that the HartfordLTD.com merch is officially live. We have the Motul collaboration celebrating the history of racing, and we also have the Hartford Limited car care and accessories. Go shop HartfordLTD.com and support a couple great causes. Now, let's get back to the video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, and thank you for tuning in. Today is a very special day for me, and I can't wait to show you why. What's up, Troy? Good morning. Oh my god, I almost hit my face. The only time I've hit my face with my camera is when Choi is driving, when he was driving my City Corvette when I first bought it, and now in his brand new plaid. This thing is fast! Oh my god! Alright. Alright, well, we are currently headed to an undisclosed location in order to, you know what, you guys will just see in a second. Corvette. On a day I'm buying my new car, I still cannot escape Corvettes, and I'm not mad at it.
You're so stupid.
Why? Give me one reason.
Cause
why? Cause why, Choi? Cause why?
On the day I'm buying my new car.
No, it's not a reason. I'm as cool as they get, children. From one undisclosed location to another. Choi has this shit-eating grin on his face, and he says, "Get in." Introduced to you my very first supercar, and went above and beyond, and I'm taking it via air delivery. sure you guys can take some guesses of what car is inside of the box right behind me. This is insane. To think where we are today is nuts, knowing exactly from the beginning, packing all of my belongings in my 240 SX, driving cross country with no AC, and kept only what I could fit in that car to pursue a dream. Picking up my little vlog camera and vlogging working on my 240 in the parking garage, and to where I've been able to take having nothing, being on food stamps and unemployment, to being here today, taking air delivery of my first supercar is nuts. I just want you guys to know that anything in life is possible if you work hard for it. But there's a supercar in there, and I think I'm ready to unveil it. Any guesses of what's in the box? Last chance, comment below. After years of hard work and saving up everything I have, I am proud to introduce to you a huge thank you to eBay Motors for sponsoring today's video. Now look, I know there are a busload of options out there when it comes to buying a car, but I mean, how many can you really trust? Who out there guarantees that the less than 10-year-old vehicle you bought online is the same one that shows up with the vehicle protection program? Did you know they use a proprietary web feature called Fitment to guarantee any part you buy is the right part for your car? I buy parts on eBay Motors almost every week. A lot of the times, it's the only place to find hard-to-find OEM parts, both new and used. So shop for cars and parts with confidence by going to the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to unboxing my very first supercar. After years of hard work and saving up everything I have, I am proud to introduce to you my 2010 Ferrari 458. This is one of my favorite Ferraris next to the F40, and you guys know my ultimate dream car is an F40, and this is just a stepping stone to get there. This is Ferrari's last naturally aspirated V8, and it's also a flat-plane crank, and well, the Z06 isn't available yet, so I figured let's start here.
It's like whenever you get super high with your friends and you're like, you know what? Let's take a helicopter and lift up a Ferrari in a box, and then let's not drop it.
I can't believe this is mine, you guys, with the race seats and all. That's from the helicopter. Are you guys ready to hear arguably the best sounding Ferrari? Why are you peeping at me? With the windows down, inside a crate, we're just gonna hear everything. First start. Oh my god. Kind of speechless right now. God damn, my dad would be proud right now. I think he would be. He'd probably make fun of me for buying. No, he wouldn't. Yeah, my dad would be proud right now. This is crazy. Today's been amazing. I still have yet to go drive the car and enjoy it, so we're gonna do that in a second. But I have to give a huge shout out to Tow Masters. I actually bought this box a week in advance so that we could do this. Neighbors over at Navis and Ship were the ones that assembled it for us. I feel like we had the whole family involved in doing this air delivery video, so I'm super excited for that. You guys are actually going to see Avo, Tow Masters, in my next episode where Troy unveils his V4 Unicorn Lamborghini, and Troy, as a matter of fact, did a burnout on Avo's trailer while Avo was driving. And it was actually pretty sick. It came out really sick. I also have to give a huge shout out to Copter Pilot and Aris Helicopters here in Corona. This wouldn't have been possible without their help. Also, Troy, shout out to you. You're my A1 since day one. And West Coast Exotics, eBay Motors. You know, I'd really like to dedicate this to all of you at home. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god! West Coast Exotics surprised me with a photo of the Ferrari. Oh, that was so sweet of them. would do if I didn't get the Ferrari. I guess we'll never know. I left tire marks from the first hangar down to the last hangar where I parked the Ferrari. What do you think this open button does?
Probably that.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, is that a CD player? Man, this thing is a classic.
Oh man, are there any CDs in there? That's great. All right, we have to meet Avo back at the shop, so it's time to go.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Well,
I survived a helicopter today and a box and
did you bring a can in my car?
no,
I thought I heard that.
no.
Well, after 7 launches, many burnouts, and a lot of fun over at the airstrip, I've taken the hour-and-a-half car ride home and enjoyed every minute of it. I have some fun and exciting plans for this 458 build that I cannot wait to share with you, but everything will come in due time, I promise you that. This is just the beginning, and the sky is the limit. I already have my first mod prepared for the 458. You guys ready to see what it is? It's an air freshener! There we go, black ice, baby. Perfect mod for my Ferrari. All right, we made it at the shop. Guys are checking out the car. But I'd say a successful day. We got the Prius, we got the 240, we got the Subaru, we got the Buick, we got the Corvette. But there's still more to come. We're still just at the beginning. The car care is officially live. The Motul collection is officially live. All at HartfordLimited.com. Go cop some, show some support, and like and subscribe this video. Alright, Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye!